Doing the rodeo test on the $2,000 SL500 C55 engine. I guess you'd probably just watch, make sure when it's maxed out the pressure's all the same right there. What it's going through. I had a problem with it said the right rear. I can't remember what to call it. Strut level. This goes in here. It just clips in. Was having a problem with the right rear level sensor, and what I did was this thing jerks around. I don't really want to open it up. I took off that panel. There's only two screws. One there, one over here. On this side, I took the two up by the battery. Watch out, that one's really close to the positive terminal. I had to came really close with the screwdriver, getting the T20 off. Then I was able to work there's a plastic thing around here. I was able to work that part of the side panel off and was able to get at the clips right there and the electric plug-in has a tab on one side, but you just flip them clips up. Do not lose them. They just hook on. The edge right here. You can see right here. They just hook on the edge right there and snap on there really easy. It was easy to get at even in the car. Saved so much time. It literally took less than 10 minutes to replace that. 5. If I knew how to get off the side, I would definitely do it in 5 minutes. But that's all connected in there. I almost screwed up and forgot which sensor I took out because I put them down. It's like, damn it, which one was it? I got a set of 4 of them at the junkyard for $20 a piece that I'm probably gonna send to R230 for cores for $200 a piece, and they'll send you a shipping label. But they're getting this back in there. But what I did is I could tell this one's so freaking clean. These have been out covered in the shed, so they're even dirty, dusty. So I was able to figure out which one it was. There might even be a date code on there because the other one had like 09 it ended in. Don't know. A lot of the stuff is date coded. Electronic stuff is date coded. It was the same part number and everything. But while this runs, that was easy to do. If you ever have to have a problem with there's supposed to be 2 actuator linear, I think it's like linear actuator sensor, something like that, or level sensor. I gotta close this. There's one internally that probably only R230 can get to, and there's the external one like that. This is running away. It's like about half done. It's probably been about, let's see, 5-10 minutes. We'll see how long it takes to do, but that just replacing that sensor, and you can't buy them sensors. There's like a guy in the Netherlands that was selling them for a couple $100 a piece. You could get a used strut for a couple $100, I'm sure. But it's so much easier. I'm glad I have these. Just stick it in there, and hopefully it'll come up with the actuations good on the right rear actuator. I forget, linear level actuator. So we'll see what happens when this gets done. That's just going every corner, lifting up, going down. But that'll be done in a couple minutes.